API keys. How do I create an API key?
Creating a new API key for your organization is a straightforward process involving just 2 steps. Begin by logging into Travelgate. Click on your user profile section and go to API Keys and select the Create a new API key option. Enter a name and description for the new API key. This helps in identifying and managing multiple keys. Once generated, copy the API key value. Remember, this is the only moment when the full API key will be displayed, so ensure you store it securely. The generated API keys are not retrievable, so if required, a new one must be created. Previously used API keys will remain active. For further information, please do not hesitate to contact us or follow our TGX Academy videos.